how to remove player from FPL League. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily remove player from the FPL League. So let's dive right in. Open up your FPL app and then go to the uh, matches option. Go to the fantasy option on the bottom and then tap on transfers. And then choose the player that you want to replace. And then there you'll see the remove option. Tap on remove, and then that's it. Like that, the player will be removed and you can just tap on it and add a new player by tapping on select replacement. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.